Hi, welcome back. Here's how to make daytime running lights for the rear of your Nissan Note E12. First, take off the plastic cover that covers this wiring harness on the passenger side and find a light green wire and a dark grey wire, and you can use a safety pin just like that, hooked up to an LED that's grounded to probe for voltage, and you can stick it through the wiring insulation and turn the side lights on and off just to verify that you've got the right circuit. Put a shock key diode in here between these two and another shock key coming off, the same for the other side, and then you're going to heat shrink those connections and twist these two wires together, and then you can supply them with either a fuse switched circuit from the a switch on the dashboard, or you can just wire it into a loom that comes on with the ignition key. I'd advise going through a switch on the dashboard so you can turn it off, because it may fail a vehicle inspection. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The shock key diodes are 1N5818s, and they are more than adequate for the 5-watt bulbs that are in the taillights.